Because of cloud technologies and cloud storage like OneDrive and SharePoint, we're actually able to capture versions inside a document. And as we begin to explore Copilot, well, we might want to be able to go back in time in case something changes. So before we get started doing our first prompt, I'm going to show you File. I'm going to go to Info, and I'll choose Version History. Now, every time I make an edit, it's going to show up in my version history edits. If there had been hundreds of edits, they would have all been listed here. Okay, let me turn these off. You think you're out and you're back in your document, but you see that flag here? This is telling you you're in the current version. And if you look up here at the top, it tells us we're in a version. So we need to close this, which felt really uncomfortable. And now we're back to our bootcamp cheat sheet.